Welcome back to Network Africa. It's always very exciting to see innovative creations in African technology like Wetin Dey, a cloud-based social networking, messaging and creative chat application specifically designed with features to provide speed, security, privacy and promote social development. The Wetin Dey app allows users to share unlimited number of photos, large videos, audio file and any type of file, and has no limits on the size of your media and chart. Wetin Dey app was developed and released on the 20th of March 2015 by Nigeria's Mr. Godspower Otali. He possesses a BSc in Computer Science from National Open University of Nigeria, an Android multimedia mobile application developer, web software developer and database administrator with over 8 years working experience in the field of ICT. He joins me now on Network Africa. You're welcome to the program.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Now, honestly, when I first heard of your app, Wetin Dey, the first thing that came to my mind was WhatsApp. That's the English translation of your app, isn't it?
Yeah.
Now, what inspired you to create this application?
Well, my dream, my vision actually is to go globally and to be a producer and not a consumer. Most of these applications we use on mobile phones these days are actually produced from the foreign countries and they send down to us, but I discovered that there's no software we have created in Africa yet to be able to promote our culture, ideas in Africa. Okay. Now,
there aren't too many African messenger apps out there. How well has your app been received?
Yeah, to the glory of God, when we release this app into the app market, it has about 1,000 downloads right now, and we have over 11,000 usage right now, and without any sponsored advert yet. So it has well been received by people.
Now, I know your app is currently being featured on the Android market, Google Play Store and Amazon. What is the most unique feature that sets this app apart?
Yeah, the first thing you think of is the security. This app is so secure because everyone wants to feel secured. Everyone wants to feel secured when they use an application. And, well, it has a lot of features like send unlimited files to people around the whole world. You know, no limit of files there's no limit of file that you can send on within the application, because you can send PDF files, doc files, executable files, on system files, and such like that.
Now, I know it might take a while for Africa to begin to explore its own creations in terms of technology, but eventually that inevitably provided the app solves problems. How have you adapted this app to the specific needs of Africans in the continent?
Okay, yeah, it facilitates social interaction and can influence policies, you know, in schools, because it has hashtags and it supports usernames on the application. And it makes sure you are listened to through your username. I may not be able to give you my phone number, for instance, if you ask me on WhatsApp, on Wetin Dey, for instance. And I think with the username content, you can actually give me a username and send me any message, send me any file, communicate with me without having knowing my phone number, actually. And I think those are one of the things that the app can really solve.
All right, Mr. Godspower Otali, thank you so much for joining us on Network Africa, and here's wishing you the very best.
All right, thank you so much, ma'am.
In other news, the Department of Petroleum Resources has directed Cornell Depot at Naval Dockyard to increase their daily truck outs to a minimum of 80 trucks